Nut. These are the nuts we've chosen. And now, step 2. Choose your weapon. I've chosen the hammer. Chosen the hammer. Chosen the hammer as my nut cracking weapon. It's my weapon. Now, crack. It's cracking time, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna choose my chestnut first. Give it a big old wackadoo. Crack. We've accomplished a crack here. Folks, we've accomplished a crack. As you can see, the nut has been exposed. We've exposed the nut for edibility. And now it's time to enjoy the splendor of your spoils. Enjoy. Step 5. Enjoy. The splendors of your spoils. Enjoy the splendors of your spoils. That's good nut. I've explored my cracking abilities. Now it's time to rapid fire. We're doing rapid fire. We're gonna do some rapid fire nut scratching. Get that nut out. Get that nut out. Almond. Enjoy the nut. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. That's nice. Next nut. Next, nut. Pecan. This one's called pecan. Next nut. This one's called pecan. Nut cracked. Pecan exposed. Pecan infiltrated. Entering mouth hole. Pecan entering mouth. Yeah, he's good! Oh, that's good! Oh, yummy! Ooh, that's nut. And it's good. That's nut. That's nut. That's nut. That's good. That's nut. And it's good.
Yes, I yes, I love those.
Nuts.
Oh yes, I love those.
Nuts.
I'm the big boys.
Good.
Nuts.
I'm the big boys.
That's good nut, baby. Nut. Many good nuts. Walnut. That's a walnut. These nuts. That's the sun. That's the sun. These are nuts. No. Keep the sun. Nuts in the sunlight. 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 Pecan 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 in the sunlight. Gone in the sunlight. Gone in the sunlight. Gone in the sunlight. Hit my hand with the hammer. Ow! Those really explode. Put it in your mouth.
nut. One more. It's a walnut. Walnut in the sunlight. Walnut in the sunlight. Walnut in the sunlight. Walnut in the sunlight. Walnut sunlight. Walnut sunlight. Walnut sunlight. Enjoy walnut. Enjoy the sunlight. Enjoy the time that we had together, eat nuts and being friends. That's a walnut.
Step 1. Choose your nuts.